Hello guys. So back in 2020, I started my own YouTube channel. But due to some personal issues, I was not able to post videos regularly on that channel. So now in 2022, I decided to post videos again on that channel regularly, at least twice in a week. Sometimes I'm going to post videos maybe thrice or four times in a week if I can. So as you have seen in my introduction video, if you can watch that video, so I am going to share videos related to lifestyle, beauty and makeup, and also some other videos related to food vlogs, travel vlogs. Whatever I like, I'm going to post video on that thing. So yes, so in my YouTube channel I'm going to post videos in English, Hindi and Bengali. Bengali because it's my mother tongue, and today's video I'm going to post in English only. So today my video topic is Zara haul. So as you guys know, Zara is a very big brand, and in Zara you are going to get clothes, bags, shoes and many more things. So in Kolkata we have Zara store in South City Mall. So I got some tops and like some clothing wear from Zara, which I'm going to show you today. My top 4 collections from Zara. And you can get Zara clothes from online also in app, or also from the nearest Zara store. In whichever city you have, in whichever mall you have Zara, you will get Zara clothes. So yes, without any further ado, let's begin with this video. And today I'm going to share you 4 different clothing items which I have bought from Zara. So the first item which I got from Zara is this top. As you can see, the top, it's very beautiful. It's a kind of casual wear top. You can also wear it in parties also. So the color is a little bit brownish with a purple tint. It's a high neck top. You can style it in different ways, like you can wear it with a high waist jeans, you can wear it with a pencil skirt, you can wear it with a formal pant. And unfortunately I have lost the price tag of this top, so I won't be able to tell you the price of this top, but yes, I will show you the top. This is the top, and this is really beautiful. Once you wear it, you will be able to understand that how pretty the top is. Now the second thing which I'm going to show you from Zara, which I got from Zara, is this shirt. This is a hot pink or a baby pink color shirt, and the price of this shirt is 2990. It's a little bit expensive, but it's really worth it in terms of quality. And yes, this shirt, it has buttons at its front, and you can style this shirt in different ways, like you can wear it with a skirt, you can wear it with jeans, you can wear it with a formal pant, you can wear it as a party wear also and as a formal wear also. This is the shirt, and this is really beautiful. Like once you wear it, you will be able to know it. I got it from Zara store from South City Mall, and if you visit South City Mall, if you stay in Kolkata and if you visit South City Mall Zara, you will get this. Also in any Zara store, you are going to get this shirt. The third item which I have bought from Zara is this top. This top needs to be ironed, I know. This is a chocolate brown color top, and it's a little bit shiny material. So this is the top, and this is the back side of the top. And unfortunately I have lost this price tag also. Only the size is mentioned. This top is really beautiful. This also, you can wear it as a formal wear, also as a party wear, and it's really beautiful. You can style it with a coat also, and you can wear this with a jeans, formal pant or a skirt, anything you want, and it's really beautiful. The material is too good. Now the fourth thing which I'm going to show you from Zara, which I have bought from Zara, is this pant. This is a formal pant. As you can see, this is the pant, and it has a cut at its end. This is the cut which makes it more stylish, and this pant is really beautiful. Once you wear it, you will be able to understand. It's a skin fit formal pant. You can wear it with a full sleeve shirt, you can wear it with a sleeveless top, you can wear it with a crop top also, you can wear it as a formal wear, also as a party wear. It's really amazing, and it's black in color. So yes, this was my top 4 collection from Zara and my Zara haul. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my video, and please hit the bell icon below so that whenever I post a new video you will get notification. Bye. Stay happy and stay positive. Now I will show you the sample pictures of my Zara haul which I am wearing.